My fans across the universe, the entire world, this is how it look now in the morning here. Saturday morning, or afternoon I should say, local time Jamaica. Kojak Country Lifestyle YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna cook up my good soup, my fans. So me start the fire there.
Dress up, rise up, live up, stand up with your country style YouTube channel. King Yellowman endorsing.
Yes, King Yellowman, boy, I say I love young breadfruit there. But I'm gonna put in the soup pot. Chicken at out. Few pieces of pum pum yam. Scallion. So far it's look beautiful now. Hopefully we could get the day like this till I would be happy for the sun. Just put on the pot. I might do a live. If I get the chance, my fans, I will do a live, so look out, yeah? Yes, I might just do the live when I upload this video. Yo, me Anna shake up now. We get a cut this morning, see man, the knife, that because of the mosquito. I was using my t-shirt as fan the mosquito, and then the knife fell out of my hand and cut me. See right near my big toe.
Sorry. Endorse your YouTube country lifestyle channel. Every time, all the time, always, every second, every minute, every hour, every day, every week, every month, every year, every decade.
Thank you, King Yellowman. Boy, I tell you, say you love this channel, man. This channel make the King get a lot of inspiration to write his lyrics, you know. The King watch my videos, man, and it make him very happy. Also, KC, seeing Stew Beef, Angie, Lenora, Tetia, Jacinth, and a lot of other people, you know, feel very good when they watch the videos. So please look out for the live here. I'm gonna maybe do the live.